Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the front brake discs and brake pads on BMW X5 F15. These are the brake discs that I'm going to be replacing, and these are the pads, and this is the bolt holding the brake disc to the wheel hub. First we need to remove the brake caliper, and the brake caliper is held by two bolts which are right behind this plastic cover and this plastic cover. These bolts are Allen key size 7. Before I remove the bolts for the brake caliper, first I'm going to loosen this bolt for the brake disc. First I'm hammering it a little bit, and now I'll try to turn it. You can see the disc is turning, so I'm going to put a screwdriver in there to hold it in place from turning, and now I'll have leverage to loosen this bolt. I'm not going to completely remove it, I'm just loosened it. Now I'll continue to do the next things. Next I'm going to remove this sensor for the brake pad wear. In order to remove it, you need to pull it out from the brake pad. Now I'm going to put it to the side, and next I'm going to remove the brake caliper. First I'm going to remove this metal spring. In order to remove it, you need to pry it out with a screwdriver. Next I'm going to get a big screwdriver and just pull the brake cylinder back a little bit so that I can remove the brake caliper easier. And next I'm going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the brake caliper is removed, I'm going to hang it on this rope that you've seen that I put there, just so that it can stay in somewhere on the side where it's not in my way. Next I'm going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper supports. These are the two bolts. Now I'm going to remove the brake caliper support, and next I'm going to remove the bolt holding the brake disc and remove the brake disc. Next I'm going to clean the wheel hub with a wire brush. And next I'm going to put on the brake discs and the brake pads. This is the part number for the brake discs, and this is the brake disc right there. And these are the brake pads that I'm using, and this is the part number for it. Next I'm going to put the brake disc on and then put the bolt holding it and tighten it. Next I'm going to put the brake caliper support and tighten the bolts. Next I'll remove the brake pads from the brake caliper, and I'll use brake piston compression tool to move back the brake cylinder as much as possible. This is the brake cylinder compression tool that I'm using. That's the brake cylinder returned all the way. Now I'm going to remove the compression tool, and I'm going to put the rear brake pad on into the brake cylinder. The other brake pad I'm going to put onto the brake caliper support, and then now I'm going to put on the brake caliper and tighten the two bolts. Next I'm going to put the brake pad wear sensor into the brake pad. And now the only thing left is to put on this spring into its place, and then we're done with replacing the brake discs and brake pads. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.